like a tune-up first thing in the morning to work with the Vanity so the beauty comes through and you receive health on top of all of that? Here we go. Wake up, sit in your chair, lay it in bed, take your BetterNow laser, and anywhere you go around the orbits and it sticks is the place that has a lower energy, or in this case, a lower voltage. It also will kind of be places where you got a little wrinkles. So that's what I'm doing this morning, is I'm going around, and then like this spot right here, like, you know, got little crown lines there, right, is actually sticking. Oh, by the way, if you kind of do an eye test before you do this, and you see how well you see without your glasses on, and then you do your laser around these orbits, the side benefit is you see better. You'll literally notice that you'll be able to see more clearly than you would before. And why? Because you're electron doning to and charging up the cells and the mitochondria all around the whole the area, and our bodies are a system of wonderful fiber optic tubes, so those energy will go to other places as well. In this case, definitely to help with the vision. Now, the other place I kind of stick is right in here. So, you know, remember they call those the frown lines. Well, that's another way to deal with that. So a little sticky. Now, it isn't sticky, so that's fun. So now I go around, and here we go. It sticks a little bit there. And when I get that breath, I know it's a thank you, Jesus moment. So the body really absorbed, and I took in, like, the greatest thing you'll ever know is just to receive love. Yeah. And share it. You can share it too with your laser. So there we go, around. The other wonderful, wonderful places is TMJ. That's so important. The more that we do it here, the more we get blood flow to the brain. Then the pterygoid down below here, which is brilliant. That opens up blood supply for the rest of the body, actually. And then we can do the jowls, you know, these wonderful places as we get older where the skin starts to flap. This will tighten it up really well as help the parathyroid and the thyroid. And when we're up here, the pineal and other, like the thymus, all wonderful places that these glands need energy, or I should say they need sunlight, they need light in order to do their job brilliantly. So here we go. Doc David, for your morning fun, vanity, brilliance, beauty, and health. See you soon.